Okay, YouTube, today you'll see how to restore your headlights to almost new condition using the Philips headlight restoration kit. For step one, use a water-based pre-treatment, which cleans off any dirt or grease that are on your headlights. Step two, use 600 grit sandpaper to sand the lenses. For step three, you use 1500 grit sandpaper. For step 4, use 2000 grit sandpaper for the final sanding of your headlights. Then you use a headlight cleaner to get rid of all your, for what you sanded. And then use the headlight restore. It's a shine restorer polisher. And you use about 3 coats. You have to let it dry 5 minutes for each coat, and your headlights will come out looking like new. It takes about 20 minutes.